APSSDC నైపుణ్య వికాసం life skills for 6th class. Good morning students. How are you all? Today I am going to teach a new life skills lesson. Before going to see a new lesson, let you see the definition of life skills. Life skills are the abilities for adaptive and positive behavior that enable individuals to deal effectively with the demands and challenges of every day. Mainly, these are three types. First one is emotional. Under emotional life skills, self awareness, coping with emotion, coping with stress. Second life skills are social life skills. Under social life skills, we can see empathy, effective communication, interpersonal relationship skills. And third one, cognitive life skills. Under cognitive life skills, we can see problem solving, decision making, critical thinking, and creative thinking. Children, come to our present topic, that is what makes me happy. Here we are going to see the children's rights and their responsibilities. Before going to see them, let me allow to ask some questions to you. Those are, why do you have rights? What does it means? Does apply to all children? So now I am going to give clarification for all these three questions. Let you see child rights and its importance. Child rights are fundamental freedoms and the inherent rights of all human beings below the age of 18. These rights apply to every child, irrespective of the child's parents, legal guardian, race, color, sex, creed, or other status. The essential message is equality of opportunity. Girls should be given the same opportunities as boys. All children should have the same rights and should be given the same opportunity to enjoy an adequate standard of living. Now, let us see some rights in classroom. Those makes the students very happy. Now here see their responsibilities in the classroom also. The rights are to learn, to play, to feel safe in school, to have friends, to be listened to others, and responsibilities of child here are to listen to teachers and adults, to look after school equipment, to be sensible in school. So these are the responsibilities as well as duties of them. See the children's basic rights, those make them happy. In here, we need to discuss the most important rights for them is right to get good education. That means every child or citizen of this country has a right to free education until he or she completes the age of 14 years, and after a child or citizen completes 14 years, his her right to education is circumscribed by the limits of the economic capacity of the state and its development. So it is very essential right for the child to get bright future. The second important right for child is family care. They have the right to know and, as far as possible, to be cared for by the parents. Governments should respect children's right to a name, a nationality, and family ties. So, parental care is also most important. Parents must love the child in everywhere. The other right of children is to get good medical care and protection from all aspects. Why? Because today children are tomorrow's citizens. If those are healthy, our future generation will also healthy. So it is better to give good medical treatment to them. And children have the right to be heard. That means we need to say some moral values from their well beginning. And children have the right to be loved and respect. And children have the same responsibility to show love and respect to others. Children have right to get good health. In the same, children have the responsibility to take care of themselves. Children have the right to get special care for special needs. In the same, they have responsibility to be best they can be. Another important rights those can make the child happy are protection from maltreatment, neglect, abuse, or degradation. So, to get all their rights, those can make them very happy in their life. They needed to fight for their rights to get moral and social development. Violating of children rights include child poverty, violence, gender discrimination, disability, child wedlock, migration and homeless. Now see how can we and children protect their rights. Everybody should donate fund to child care organization and save them. And make a call to 1098 if any child is losing their rights. It's India's first and world's largest 24 hours helpline with trained officers in 6 centers in India. If we do our duties effectively to save the child rights, then automatically children can live happily with their rights that can make them very happy. Students, I hope that you have understood this lesson well. You please do hard work and fight to get your rights. If you are not getting your fundamental rights, you please call 1098 and get your right and make your life very happy. Now I am going to give small assessment for you. Already we have discussed all these four questions in our lesson itself. So you please be ready to submit this assessment tomorrow. Now I am so thankful to APSSDC, Schoolnet and our AP Balayogi Gurukulam who are supporting us to teach our students who came from financially weak. So I am so thankful to all once again.